amazing was that? We were able to swap our stickman stop sign from his right hand to his left hand by just using a jug of water. That was it. So let me tell you a little bit about the science behind it, and then I'm going to show you a couple more different ones so you can see how it happens and enjoy the changing from left to right or right to left of our different pictures. Okay, so the science behind it is all to do with light. We have light all around us, but in this one what is happening is something called a refraction of light, and that is when the light waves change direction when they come into contact with different densities. So what was happening was the air, okay, the light was travelling through the air really quick, but as soon as it hit the front of the glass, it slowed down. So the light waves were travelling through the glass much slower, and that is the change of the density from the air to the glass. The change of density, the glass is much thicker, so the light travels through much slower. Then the light must travel through the water, and then it's got to go through the glass to the air on the other side. So going through, it went from the air to the water to the glass, and on the other side it went from the glass to the air. So this causes it to bend. It is changing its density, and that causes it to refract and causes it to bend. Okay, so what is happening is the glass becomes like a magnifying glass, and the light bends to the center point, which is called a focal point. And beyond that focal point is where our light waves reverse. The light waves cross over, okay? So that means that anything on the left hand side goes to the right, anything on the right hand side goes to the left, okay? So I hope you enjoyed that explanation. I am now going to transfer back to my experiment table, and I'm going to show you a couple more different ideas that you can do. Have lots of fun and show me what you have been up to. So I have got my glass ready for my second experiment. I have got a cylinder glass. I have got a picture of an arrow facing to the right, and I'm going to pour my water inside the glass. So the arrow is now facing the left hand side. You can also see this by moving around. So you can go, it's right, and then when you bring it back round in front, it is now facing to the left. Fantastic. The next one, I have got a stickman holding a balloon. As you can see, my drawings aren't amazing. I'm sure you can do much better. So let's go back down to where our glass is facing. We can see his balloon is in his right hand. Let's pour our water in, and his balloon is now in his left hand. How fantastic is that? I've got one more for you, and this one is some writing. My final one is a dedication to the NHS, who are doing an amazing job at this time. So let's see what happens with our letters. We now have SHN, so it has transferred and it has reversed to the other